Good morning. We are Pots in Parks and we are here at Legoland today.
It's our first theme park trip of the 2026 season.
It is, and if you follow our vlogs, normally you will wonder where we are going for our first Legoland. Because this is not our usual trip down, is it?
It's not. We're actually heading towards Ninjago this morning, aren't we?
We are, yeah. We're a little bit late getting here today just because of traffic. So we're going to change our plans.
Yeah, see how that
goes. We're going to do Ninjago, then maybe Laser Raiders.
Yeah, see what happens after that.
See what happens.
And then we're going to take you around the site today. We're going to have a look at some of the improvements that the site's been making during the winter close season. So there's some stuff that's happening in the car park. They're doing a really good chunk of work there, aren't we?
Yeah.
And also take you around to see some of the shows that they've got up for their Brick Days event and also for their 30th anniversary. It's 30 years since Legoland opened this year.
It is, and we are here on the last day of their brick event, isn't it?
Yes, this is Sunday at the end of the February half term.
So let's see what is in store.
Let's go. Really just. That's a good score.
Oh yeah, it's going to move in a second. It's going to move. To the top. Going higher. We're at the top. We're going down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Legoland. Happy birthday to you.
Partying at our birthday brick bash.
Enjoy the rest of
recruits! Keep on coming through! Explorers! It's nearly time for your adventure! Welcome to Deep Sea Adventure HQ! I'm the Master Diver here.
Or even thousands of seaweeds all living together. Reach your home to one quarter of all marine life.
Whoa! That was amazing! Treasures on the deep sea has been a success. It's time to head back up.
Hey, it's been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Now,
So we are here in Miniland and we have been to the little hut where we have collected a little piece of paper for some more party fun for their birthday celebration. So we have to search for 5 different party bits, whether that might be a balloon, a hat, I don't know, look at the clues. Got to find them around Miniland, and then once you've done that, you head back to the hut and you can get a limited edition pop badge. So So we have just completed our scavenger hunt. It was tough. Like, we spent all of Arlo's nap, and Arlo's been napping for about 45 minutes to an hour walking around Miniland, but it was so worth it. Look how amazing. I don't know if you can see them moving as well. So it was well worth it. We did have to ask for a clue from the guy in the birthday hut, but it was tough. So yeah, if you have 45 minutes to spare, recommend walking around Miniland and getting yourself a pop badge. What's that?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Airplane.
Airplane. What are we going to go on in a minute, Arlo?
Choo-choo.
What noise does it make?
Choo-choo.
Do it again. What noise does it make?
Meow.
Meow. Is it a train?
Choo-choo.
Go choo-choo. Choo-choo. The chicken. Oh, hi, chicken. Hello, what you got in your hands? Pop badges. Pop badge.
Oh!
Steady. There we go.
What was it?